Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to train your AI agent to understand your data using file search. So let's begin. Here, we have the knowledge base option. Let's connect file search and I'll upload my document here. Once you've selected your file, click upload and connect and it will start uploading. The file has now been uploaded. Now you just need to complete the setup. So let's say, okay, let me ask this question, start the conversation. I just asked a general question about the document. Now it's generating the answer from the document. Let's see. Great. I got my answer. Here, it provides the complete details. Let me verify the answer. It mentions 65% or 30%. It also mentions the other figures. Let me check. Okay, that's pretty good. So that's how it works. If you have a very strict workflow or want your agent to follow a specific process, you can simply redefine the instructions like this. Now it's working as expected. I just made the workflow more strict. Now, let's say I ask something unrelated. As you can see, it's responding exactly the way I wanted. This is how you can make your agent follow your workflow and answer questions only from the document. As you can see, it avoids answering questions that are outside the scope of the document. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.